When the 7th generation of Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Carbon series was released back in 2019, it was retailing for a little shy of $2,000. Well, that price has changed dramatically, and that makes this laptop very relevant still, because today you can find one of these for under $1,000 brand new. The X1 Carbon comes neatly packaged, as one would expect from a product this posh. The package includes the laptop, a 65-watt USB-C charger, the setup guide, as well as the safety and warranty guide, which usually people cannot be bothered to read. Because of its carbon fiber magnesium chassis, this contraption weighs only 2.4 pounds, and that is one of Lenovo's strong selling points for this series. A strong competitor to Dell's XPS, Asus ZenBook, HP's EliteBook series, and a pack of others. The overall build quality feels solid and the hinges do not wobble at all. The material the laptop is made of feels soft and pleasant to the touch, which is great, but given enough time, the surface will inevitably become a fingerprint magnet, so some maintenance may be in order to keep this beauty looking clean and tidy at all times. The lid opens to 180 degrees. For some reason, feels well made, obedient, and can be opened with one hand, which can be convenient in some scenarios, when holding a phone to your ear with one hand and trying to open the lid with the other. The fingerprint reader is next to the trackpad on the right side, works fast and does not misfire, despite the series of attempts made to provoke just that. The trackpad is a bit undersized, in my opinion, but is very responsive and has nothing shorter than an excellent feedback to clicks throughout its surface. The keys are soft yet pleasantly tactile. They are also backlit and can be illuminated enough to easily be visible in a semi-dark room. The model in hand comes with Intel's 8th generation i5 CPU, 8GB of DDR3 soldered RAM, a 256GB PCIe SSD drive, and Intel's integrated 620 UHD graphics chip, all of this powered by a 51 Wh/hour 4-cell lithium-ion battery. On the left side, there is a USB Type-C port capable of charging, a docking port, a USB Type-A port, an HDMI port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right side is the power button, a single USB Type-A port, and the cooling vent. The X1 Carbon lacks the Ethernet port, and a USB to Ethernet adapter is not included. It does, however, have a fast dual-band AC built-in Wi-Fi adapter, as well as Bluetooth 5.0. Some of the more high-end models can also come with an optional 4G LTE adapter, but that is not the case with this particular model. In conclusion, the 7th generation X1 Carbon is a very viable option for those who are on the market for a light and slim business-grade laptop now more than ever, because of the slashed prices and the immediate availability. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to this channel for all upcoming unboxing and tech review videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.